Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we freeze the panes in Microsoft Excel. Guys, why we use the freeze panes? Basically, if we have this type of presentation and if we have to scroll this, then as you can see the titles disappears. And similarly, if we scroll horizontally from left to right, then this the first column title disappears. So to fix it to its place, we use freeze panes. Okay. So to have it, we'll just click on view and here we have freeze panes in the Windows group. Just click on that. After clicking, we'll have different types of freeze panes: a normal freeze pan, freeze top row, and freeze first column. Okay. So if I click freeze first column, then the first column is only freezed. If we just scroll horizontally, then as you can see the first column is freeze now. And similarly, if I select again view, then freeze pane, then freeze top row, then this time only the top row is freezed. You can scroll it and have the data. Okay. And what to do if we want to fix the row and the column both? Okay, so what we will do is we'll just select a cell away from the row to be fixed and the column to be fixed. That means we will select this one away from the first column and away from the first row. This comes common use. So after selecting, let's click view and again we'll select freeze pane and then unfreeze, but again we'll select freeze pane and then click freeze pane. Okay, now as you can see guys, if we scroll down, then it's fixed, and if you scroll horizontally, then this column is also fixed. Now suppose we wanna fix this three rows. Okay, these three rows and these two columns. So this time this comes common use, three rows and two columns. After selecting C4, you just click on view and again freeze panes, unfreeze panes, freeze panes, then click on freeze panes. Now after scrolling, as you can see, it's freezed. Okay guys, so this was the use of freeze panes guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.